This will be a quick one, just how to install and remove your E36 mirror, rear view mirror, and how to install a Longacre race mirror. So rear view mirrors are meant to break away if you accidentally bump them, so just putting a little bit of pressure towards the mirror and it'll pop right off. And then to put it back on, you just rotate it until it sits flush at an angle like this. And then you just rotate it back to center, and that's it. So don't try to force it on directly. You'll probably crack your windshield. So once again, it just pops straight off by putting a little bit of pressure towards the windshield, and then rotate the assembly until it sits flush up here, and then turn it towards center, and it'll snap back on. These Longacre mirrors are great. I prefer them to the stepped mirrors, as you can get way more vision with this. I can actually see out both my windows, and especially with the hands device on, it's hard to turn when you're in your harnesses. So I highly recommend one of these. Generally, Longacre mirrors or all racing mirrors come with brackets to connect to your front roll cage bar up here, but if you're only running a rear cage, then you have nothing to connect it to. So all I did was you take your mirror and you pop the lens out. It's just friction fit, and then I just ran bolts through the sides directly into the housing of the existing mirror, and that way you maintain the ability to adjust on the stock swivel. So yeah, that's just how I installed my Longacre mirror, and that's how you remove and reinstall your rear view mirror on an E36 M3.